Shanghai, China, 3rd of November 2013. The last race in round 5 of the Maserati Trofeo MC World Series held at Shanghai saw Ange Bard climb to the top of the podium. Bard's latest win is a repeat of his victory in the endurance event at Sonoma in August. The Frenchman's victory marked a turnaround in his fortunes in China after 2 retirements on Saturday. Bard made the most of his not being handicapped during the pit stops, extra time that Renault Coupins, 2nd, and Michael Mack, 3rd, had to sit out. 4th across the line was Mauro Calamia, who put on a convincing drive from a starting position of 12th. The Swiss driver saw his podium place vanish only towards the end of the 50-minute race, when Michael Mack got the better of an exciting duel in which both drivers gave as good as they got. The fans that had gathered at the cutting-edge Formula One circuit were glued to the action. The crew, made up of Alberto Cola and Patrick Gobbo, took 5th, ahead of Spirazzuoli and Adrien Delina. Jayang Tengil, the first of the Asian drivers taking part, finished 7th. In all, 26 Maserati Gran Turismo MC Trofeos lined up on the grid.
For the second race, I hope I win the race, because the first of all is not good, and but we will see at the end of the race. I try to do a very good start, like in Nürburgring. I hope to do. So for the rest of the race, I will see what they are doing in front of me. But I hope to see everybody from my mirror.
During the day, a number of special awards were bestowed on the best drivers from Asia in Maserati's hospitality area. The prize winners were the Chinese pairing of Wang Yang and Wei Yu, and the crew formed by Akihiro Azai, Japan, and Billy Fung, Hong Kong. Saturday's races were won by Cedric Spirazzuoli and Alain Simoni. With Shanghai out of the way, Renault Coupins is still in command of the overall classification on 229 points. In 2nd is Michael Mack, who has closed in and is now 52 points off the pace. 3rd is the Italian crew of Simone Ragazzi on 115, with Ange Bard sitting on 113. The final decisive round in the Maserati Trofeo MC World Series will be run in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates on the 13th of December.